Hey learners, my name is Nitish and in this video I am going to help you in getting started with PHP. In order to get started with anything, the first thing which you need is installation. There are several software which you need in order to get started with PHP. So I am going to list all of them and I will show you how you can get all those software at once. The first software is server. So for server there are two major software. First one is Apache and second one is Nginx. You can use any of these two. I am going to use Apache. For database there are two database which are basically used by PHP developers. It is either MariaDB or MySQL. We are going to use MariaDB. And after that we need PHP. So for that there is a PHP installation, and this one is optional, which is IDE or editor. We can use any IDE or editor like Notepad, Atom, Sublime, VS Code, PHP Storm, or whatever you like. It is just an optional thing, you do not require it, but if you will install any of the editor or IDE, it will help you in writing the code. Once you will see any IDE or editor, you will understand how it helps us in writing the code. So for software, so there are three major operating system which are being used by various developers. There are Mac user. So for Mac user there is a software called MAMP, M-A-M-P. So in MAMP the first M stand for Mac, second letter is A, which stand for Apache, which I told you earlier, and third one is M, which stand for MariaDB, and fourth one is P, which stand for PHP. There are Windows user, and for that there is WAMP. So if you see, there is a change in first letter M, in the first that is M and in second that is W, which is just change in operating system, and other than that everything is same: Windows, Apache, MariaDB, PHP. For Linux user there is LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So for different operating system there are different software. So if I need to teach you all, if I will use MAMP, it will specific to Mac only. So if I will use Mac and I am using MAMP, so that will be little bit different from the WAMP. Like if you are using Windows, you are having WAMP software, so that will be little bit different. So there is one software which is available in all these three platforms, but mostly people use the platform specific software. Like Mac user use MAMP, Windows user uses WAMP, and Linux user uses LAMP. But whenever you see any tutorial or any videos, they will not use this software. They use some other software which is cross platform, which is available on all the platform. Because you are going to learn coding, you are not going to learn these softwares, like how this software works internally. So we never care about this software. So do not focus on the software, you just need to learn how to code. So what software we are going to use is XAMPP. So here the platform, the first letter stand for the platform, which is updated with or changed to X, which is cross platform. So cross platform, Apache, MariaDB, and PHP. So this is cross platform solution, and we are going to use this one, and this is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, all these three major operating system. So if you are having any question, then you can always reach me at Twitter. So here here is my email and Twitter handle, and if you want to connect with on LinkedIn, here is that, and for GitHub here you can see that. And thanks.